It was a routine flight, but it ended in tragedy. Flight 9001, an Airbus A320, was scheduled to transport passengers safely to their destination. Instead, it became a case study in how small mistakes can lead to catastrophic outcomes. The Airbus A320 is renowned for its reliability and cutting-edge engineering. Yet, this incident exposed a hidden vulnerability: human error in aircraft maintenance. In this case, the wrong type of engine oil was used during a routine service. While it seemed like a minor oversight, it set the stage for a series of cascading failures. As the aircraft climbed to cruising altitude, the engines began to experience abnormal behavior. Pilots noticed fluctuating oil pressure readings and rising temperatures. At first, they believed it was a minor anomaly, something they could manage. But as the flight progressed, the situation worsened. The incorrect oil was breaking down under the high temperatures and pressure, causing critical engine components to overheat and degrade rapidly. Midway through the flight, one engine failed entirely, leaving the pilots to rely on the remaining engine. With limited thrust and an escalating emergency, they declared a mayday and prepared for an emergency landing. Unfortunately, the second engine soon began showing similar signs of failure. The crew had no choice but to attempt a forced landing. Tragically, the aircraft was unable to reach the runway in time. It crashed just short of its intended destination, resulting in loss of life and raising serious questions about how such an error could happen in the first place. Investigations revealed that during a recent maintenance check, the wrong type of oil was accidentally supplied and used in both engines. The labels were similar, and the mistake went unnoticed until it was too late. This oversight highlighted critical gaps in quality control and the importance of strict adherence to maintenance protocols. The disaster of Flight 9001 serves as a sobering reminder of the high stakes involved in aviation. Every detail, no matter how small, can have life or death consequences. This incident has led to widespread changes in how maintenance procedures are monitored and verified, ensuring that such an error is never repeated. The lessons from this tragedy remain vital for the aviation industry and for everyone who trusts it to get them safely to their destination.